Phil.
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to my organization. Today I'm going to show you how to convert any big video file into a small video file without losing its quality. With the help of this software you can also convert any music file or big JPG file into a small file without losing its quality. This software is absolutely free. You don't have to buy its serial key or patch key or cracked. So just go to Google and download Format Factory. I also give this name on the description. Please read this. Please carefully read the description and also subscribe this channel first. So now I will show you how to crack it, how to use the software. So first open it. This is the interface of this software. Now select your file format and I just click on MP4 and then add file. I just select a movie. You can also select whole file at one time. Okay, I just select a single movie and you can also create an output folder from here and then click on OK. Start the file size is 692 megabyte MP4 and then click on just start. The process begin. It took some time. It depends on your file size. So friends, thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?